Play games, take surveys, get paid instantly. Welcome to Golden Surveys, where your honest opinions can become cash and gift cards fast. It's easy, fun, and rewarding. Take surveys or play app-exclusive games to earn real money. Whether relaxing at home or commuting, earn on your schedule using any device, anytime. More than 500,000 users already joined worldwide, earning daily with Golden Surveys rewards. Join now and start turning spare minutes into steady cash and gift card rewards. Create a quick profile, select your interests, and they'll match surveys tailored to you instantly. You'll receive survey invites, short polls, and app offers that match your preferences daily. Complete surveys and polls to accumulate points. Each activity clearly shows point values in the app. Play app-exclusive games to earn bonus points and participate in daily in-app challenges for prizes. Convert points easily to cash, PayPal transfers, or popular gift cards through a simple redemption flow. Withdraw securely, track payout history, and receive reliable payments whenever you request them. Surveys cover many topics, from short feedback questions to longer consumer research studies. Quick polls take seconds and are perfect for short breaks or spare moments during the day. App-only games reward playtime with bonus points, daily challenges, and achievement-based extras. Choose from a large catalog of gift cards, cash options, and exclusive partner rewards. An intuitive dashboard shows your points, pending rewards, and estimated time to cash out. Earn consistently by checking daily offers, completing match surveys, and leveling up in games. Golden Surveys is trusted by users worldwide with transparent rewards and verified partners. They use secure payment providers and strict verification to protect your earnings and personal data. Privacy-first practices ensure your information stays confidential and is never sold to third parties. Responsive customer support is available to help with payouts, account issues, and general questions quickly. Clear terms, user reviews, and public ratings help you trust and verify the service easily. Thousands of successful payouts demonstrate consistent reward delivery and a dependable platform. Getting started is simple. Sign up, verify your profile, and begin completing surveys and games today. Join now, claim welcome surveys, and earn points quickly toward your first cash or gift card payout. Over 500,000 users already joined and regularly cash out with Golden Surveys every month. Maximize earnings with bonus offers, referrals, and daily polls to keep rewards coming consistently. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.